President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., after a well-received and energizing campaign launch in the heart of solid North Country yesterday, hit the road with his handpicked dozen for the Senate for the second stop of the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas stomp in the former Queen City of the South. But before he and his dependable dozen took to the stage, the president first paid a visit to a job skills matching event his office set up and sponsored to help graduates of government's For Peace program find sustainable livelihood or employment. As we hear more details from our Mela Lesmoras in her report live.
It was a jam-packed schedule for the president as he attended different government engagements here in Iloilo City today on top of campaigning for the 12 senatorial candidates of the administration. In front of thousands of Ilonggos at Vera Park, Gaisano capital Iloilo City, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. formally endorsed and campaigned for the administration's 12 senatorial candidates under the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas. They include former DILG Secretary Benher Abalos, Makati City Mayor Abby Binay, Senator Bong Revilla, Senator Pia Cayetano, former Senator Ping Lacson, Senator Lito Lapid, Senator Amy Marcos, former Senator Manny Pacquiao, former Senator Tito Soto, Senator Francis Tolentino, House Deputy Majority Leader Erwin Tulfo, and House Deputy Speaker Camille Villar. According to the chief executive, this group has diverse and outstanding backgrounds, which is why they all deserve to win.
They are not here to oppose. They are here to propose. Ibig sabihin po, hindi sila nandito upang makapagdebate lamang, upang paninira lamang. Sila ay nandito upang maghanap ng mga bagong paraan para tulungan ang ating mga kababayan.
Prior to this, President Marcos Jr. also led a special meeting with key members of the Regional Development Council in Western Visayas to discuss updates on key government projects and major development issues in the region. Meanwhile, the chief executive also visited the Trabaho para sa Bagong Pilipinas in Iloilo City, spearheaded by the Department of Labor and Employment in partnership with the Department of Social Welfare and Development and other government agencies. Around 2,500 people registered with the job fair participated in by employers from various sectors.
Sana naman, good luck sa inyong lahat at makahanap kayo ng trabaho. Hindi lamang at nandyan po ang mga employer natin. Sana po ay makatulong po itong aming ginagawa at napakahalaga po para sa ating pamahalaan na yung mga nangangailangan ng tulong ay mabibigyan ng tulong. Kaya po namin ginagawa ito.
Princess, the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas will conduct its next campaign rally on Saturday in Davao del Norte. Princess?
Thank you so much, Mela Lesmoras.